we are doing the last video of the Skin Active series, and if you still haven't checked out the other videos yet, I will be putting them in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's talk about what are AHAs. AHA is also known as alpha hydroxy acid. They are derived from sugarcane and they are water soluble, mostly works on the surface of the skin. Also referred as fruit actives. They are recommended to normal to dry skin types or if you have sun damaged skin. And here are some types of AHAs that we find in the market, mostly glycolic acid and citric acid that we can find in the market, easily available in a lot of products such as like serums, creams and emulsion. So now let's talk about what are BHAs. BHAs are beta hydroxy acid, also known as salicylic acid. It is very popular ingredient nowadays because it's the best exfoliator for oily skin types, so it is recommended for normal to oily skin. If you have a dry skin, I would not recommend using BHA on your skin because it will be very drying later on after using this product. So you may stick to AHA rather than using a BHA. So now we come on the third hydroxy acid, which is polyhydroxy acid, which are great for sensitive skin type because they are of larger molecular size as compared to AHAs. So they penetrate your skin little slower as compared to AHAs. So it will give you less irritation. So if you have like dry to sensitive skin type, then I would recommend you using PHAs as compared to using AHAs. And now we're going to talk about our last hydroxy acid, which is LHA, which is lipohydroxy acid, which is a derivative of salicylic acid, making it another form of a BHA, but it is on a little less irritating side. So if you have oily to sensitive skin, then I would recommend you using LHAs. Rather being a great chemical exfoliators, different hydroxy acid comes with different benefits. Here I have listed some of those benefits for you. You can see visible results in 3 to 4 days, but to see a lot of improvement in your skin, AHA and PHA will take 2 to 3 months and BHA and LHA will show results in 2 weeks to 1.5 months. pH level of hydroxy acid lies between 3 to 4. A very important tip for you guys. I told you about retinol in my last video. These actives are similar actually. They can be little irritating if overused. So use it slowly, but never increase the amount of application more than 3 times a week. So here are some of the other actives that you can combine hydroxy acids with. But there's a trick with vitamin C here. If you want to use both, then apply vitamin C in the morning and any hydroxy acid in the night time. But please do not mix retinol with hydroxy acid in any condition. That can actually completely destroy your skin barrier if used together. And here's how you can choose the right hydroxy acid according to your skin type. And here's a small example of how you can use hydroxy acid in your skincare routine. And if you want to know more about why don't we use them with retinol, then don't forget to check out my last video where you can find everything you need to know related to retinols. Now let's move forward and see some of my favorite hydroxy acid products. First we have Be Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid Serum. I have combination to oily skin, so I prefer using a BHA serum. With very minimal ingredient list, being aloe vera the first ingredient and got emollient, humectant, and it doesn't even dry my skin out. And we pay almost $5.45 for 30 ml. And here I am listing some of my other favorite products with great simple ingredient list.
I'm listing all product links in my description box below, so it will be easier for you if you wish to buy any of these.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learn a little bit more about hydroxy acid, and this video can help you to buy the right hydroxy acid for your face according to your skin type. So yeah, if you have any other suggestions for the video that you want me to do, please comment them below, or you can send me a message on my social media as well, which you can find in the description below. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. I'll see you next week.